I thought I'd do a quick video on this quick too. That's from Pearson Implement. Actually, I know the man's the original owner's son. Look at that phone number, 113. That was April 11th of 1950. He brought a brilliant Land Rover. I'm sure he paid cash on that one. And then same year, April 28th, he bought he paid the balance on a 8-foot field cultivator, variable power, something power lift. I can't quite make that out. I know for a fact that was mechanical lift. You tripped the trip rope. I thought that was just kind of cool, but I did not remember that L.J. Larson had GMC trucks. They went out of business somewhere around 2000, in the 90s or in 2000, but I did not remember the GMC trucks. Thank you.